All right, this engine has 110,000 miles. It is recently, I'm gonna say within the last 10 to 20,000 miles, it's starting to consume anywhere between half to 1 quart during my 5,000 mile oil change interval. So I will be switching back to 0-20. I normally run 530 for this restore and protect, and see if this will help, assuming with any carbon buildup in the rings. And we'll be using a genuine Mazda filter. It looks like it's made in the USA too. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put this back in. And if you drain cold like I do with no start, you can get more than 5 quarts drained out of your engine. And this kind of has like a slight gear oil smell to it compared to normal oil. All right, like I was saying, this thing does have 110,000 miles. So I should be reporting back in about 60 days or 2 months. That's usually when I hit my next oil change. So I'll go ahead and update back with a video, seeing if there's any improvements on the oil consumption. So after adding that 5-quart bottle, we're about half a quart low. I just added a quarter of that and I kind of stopped so I can show you guys. If you do a cold drain, you get more than 5 quarts out.